Welcome to Old Coin Z Collection. I am bringing you a coin that may look ordinary to the untrained eye, yet carries a charm, a history, and a collector's pull that can hook even the most seasoned numismatist. I'm talking about this coin, United Arab Emirates 1 Dirham coin from the year 2014, also marked with the Islamic year 1435. It's a coin that bridges two calendars, two eras, and two worlds of meaning. For many older collectors, especially men who have lived through shifting economies and changing currencies, this coin represents something more than metal. It is a memory, a milestone, and a piece of the modern Arabian story. Picture the coin in your hand for a moment. A modest size, a familiar weight, yet the presence of a culture and a nation embedded in every curve. The UAE dirham is part of a currency that rose alongside a young, but rapidly advancing nation. By 2014, the Emirates had already become a symbol of transformation, rising from stretches of desert to a hub of innovation and wealth. When you look at this coin, you hold a reminder of that journey. The Arabic numerals on one side take you back to the roots of Islamic tradition, with the year 1435 standing as a reminder that time is measured in more ways than one. The Gregorian date, 2014, on the other side, pulls you back into the modern world, grounding the coin in a period of rapid economic expansion and global recognition for the UAE. Every collector knows that a coin with dual dates doesn't just show time, it shows identity. It shows continuity. This particular 1 dirham design features a traditional Arabic coffee pot, the dala. For centuries, the dala has symbolized hospitality, brotherhood, and dignity. In many households across the Emirates, older men, like many of you watching, still remember mornings when coffee wasn't just a drink, but a ritual. The sound of pouring coffee, the aroma of roasted beans, the gesture of offering a cup. It was a sign of respect and honor. That same cultural symbol was chosen to represent the nation's currency, giving the coin a personality that metal alone can't express. Collectors often say a coin is valuable not only because of its rarity, but because of the story it carries. The 2014 to 1435 dirham doesn't belong to the ancient world, yet it has already become a coin that collectors chase. Why? Because it marks a time when the Emirates stood firmly at the crossroads of heritage and modernity. It's from an era when the country was booming, when its cultural roots were proudly preserved, and when its global influence was only getting stronger. Many experienced collectors are drawn to coins that connect personal memories with broader history. For someone who lived or worked in the Gulf, held these coins daily, or watched the transformation of the region, this 1 dirham becomes a symbol of that chapter in life. It reminds some of their youth, others of their working days, and many of the friendships and journeys they made. That emotional value is something that cannot be weighed on a scale or priced by a dealer. But physical details matter too. The shine of the nickel-plated steel, the crispness of the Arabic script, the smoothness of the edges. Each detail plays a role in determining a coin's desirability. Coins with strong strikes, coins preserved in mint condition, and coins from years with lower circulation can all suddenly rise in value as collectors begin focusing on specific patterns and additions. Over time, even a common coin can become a treasure if the demand grows, and demand is exactly what has been rising around this 1 dirham edition. Older collectors, especially those between 55 and 65 who appreciate both the cultural weight and the economic history of the UAE, have begun giving special attention to coins from this period. Whether kept as a memory or sought as an investment, the interest has been climbing each year. What begins as a simple coin becomes a respected collectible. What starts as pocket change transforms into a story worth preserving. When you take this 2014 to 1435 dirham and hold it up to the light, you are not just holding money. You are holding a piece of a nation's soul. You are holding tradition, progress, identity, and transformation all pressed into one small, powerful symbol. And now, the part many of you wait for, the value. After all the history, the emotion, and the meaning behind this beautiful coin. The number you are about to hear will surprise you. In the world of high-end collectors and rare coin auctions, where bids climb faster than the blink of an eye, there are coins that reach unbelievable heights. And for this edition, with the right condition, the right buyer, and the right moment, the value has been discussed and estimated as high as $2.5 million. If you enjoyed this story and want more powerful and engaging coin histories like this one, don't forget to subscribe to Old Coins E Collection. This is where your passion for coins becomes a journey through time.